Hey guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. On today's video, we will be doing a speed clean and room update. I hope it motivates you to get up and get cleaning. So, guys, let's get it.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend that I don't really care about you. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play these games. Oh, maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play these games. But I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop, cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever. I want you here with me. Oh, what a life, oh, what a life, oh, what a life I could have had with you. Suddenly I want to walk away. No, I wonder, will you ever come back again? Telling myself that it's okay, cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. But I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop, cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever. I want you here with me. Oh, what a life, oh, what a life, oh, what a life I could have had with you. With you. I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop, cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever. I want you here with me. Oh, what a life, oh, what a life, oh, what a life I could have had with you. With you. Oh, what a life, oh, what a life I could have had with you. I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend that I don't really care about.
Hey guys, thank you for joining me in that quick clean with me video, my bedroom. This is some of you guys' first time seeing what I have done to the space in our bedroom. So I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of everything and tell you what I purchased so far and my expectations for the space in the near future. Okay guys, so here we go. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with our bed. Our bed was purchased from Haverty's. It is a beautiful sleigh bed. There's also a full video on it when we receive the bed. So if you wanna go and check that out, please do. The link is above. Yes, I love it. It's a pretty natural wood tone with a gray wash on it, on top of it, and it's very, very pretty. I was sitting in bed today saying, wow, I really love the bed. I really love the bed. It had to grow on me because this wasn't my first selection, but it is growing on me and I really, really love it. Also the bedding comes from Home Goods, and this is like a waffle textured bed comforter set. It came with the comforter and the shams. Also, the pillows in the back, the 3 pillows in the back there are Euro pillows. I made those. For those that know, my company, Moments by Nomis, I do custom pillows. You can check out my Instagram page at Moments by Nomis or Behind Closed Doors 8888. And my information will be there. You can DM me, message me, email me. Anything that you would like to put together, we can create. Okay. Also, these pretty art pieces up here, wall art. I got those from TJ Maxx. They are very pretty. And over here, these beautiful art pieces I got from At Home. The feathers came from At Home. These are pretty. And also this metal feather, I got that from TJ Maxx. These mirrors are a few years old. I think these mirrors may be about 3 years old, and I got these from Home Goods. Those I'm going to change out. I'm thinking about changing them out for some round mirrors. So it's going to be round mirrors here, or arched mirrors. I'm really not sure yet. These cubicles are from Walmart. And these were in the space temporary. They're still here in the space temporary. I don't know if I'm going to maybe add some legs to them and keep them because I kind of like the way they blend in with the bed. Or I'm going to find me some new nightstands, some beautiful nightstands to replace those. So at some point, but I'm not in a rush, you know. Also, on this side of the room, this is my husband's massage chair. I brought him for his birthday, so that would stay in the space. Also, this painting is a temporary painting. I think I'm gonna hang it here because it kind of blends in with the colors in the room for now, until I find something I really want to put in that space. So for now, I'm gonna put that up. For those that know, these two beauties were in my backyard, and look, she is tall. She's so tall. She is taller than me. Look at there. Wow. She's growing so beautifully. I love, 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 love her. Yes. And the television and the surround sound is here. And the doggy bed is here. I'm thinking about either I'm going to build it myself or I'm going to get someone to do it for me. I want to do like a custom bed here for the dogs. Something made out of wood, low profile where they can get in and out with like a cushion pads like that I can take off and on and wash and things like that, to have this little space for them because they like to sleep in a room with us, of course. Also in this window, for those that know, I brought the rods. The rods is from Walmart. The curtains are from most likely TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I had these curtains for a while. Let's just switch up. These little decorative pieces here, the vases, those are from Home Goods. And this is a money plant, Chinese money plant, I believe. And I just planted that and put it in the window because, you know, money flows endlessly. Yes. And over here, I just have my little crystals, and that's it for the space, guys. And my little bedding skirt that I made. This blanket comes from TJ Maxx as well. That blanket comes to TJ Maxx. Well, guys, that's everything that has been placed in the space thus far. My future plans for this wall over here is to do a accent wall here, using some gray and black tones on this wall, and also adding these beautiful wooden strips. These were strips that came from our bed that we had prior, the frame, and I kept them because I thought they were so beautiful, and I said I wanted to incorporate them in the space. So I seen this idea that been in my head for a while. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out, but I'm gonna make an attempt to do it. And I will be using these. I have a few more pieces like this. I love it. And I think that with the black, the gray, and this cream color, and then those pieces in front of it, it's going to look very, very beautiful. Let's see what how I can bring the vision in my head to this wall soon. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you the next time on Behind Closed Doors with your host, Mildred. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go.